Today I'm going to be talking about a new script, and this is probably one of the best TradingView scripts we have released so far. So this is under the AutoMoon scripts. It will be offered on the AutoMoon website, and today I will be explaining how this script works and what some of our goals with this script are going to be. Now, before I get into this video of this very exciting, profitable script, I do just want to say some quick disclaimers. I am personally a partial owner in the AutoMoon website, therefore I do benefit from any purchases of this script, so I may be biased in anything I do say in this video. However, before purchasing, I would advise you guys to make sure to do some of your own research and maybe talk to some other people who have already purchased the script to see how they like it and if it is the right script for you. Now, anyways, let's jump right into the video and talk about this amazing script. So, first off, before I actually get into the profitability of the script, with some live trading results which I do have in this video, I do just want to quickly talk about pricing. We did add some new products to the AutoMoon website. Make sure you guys check it out, automoon.io/pricing. And here you can see the new script has been added right here. I will be making separate videos on the Sticks Trend and Sticks Pro scripts when they are ready. However, right now Sticks SCALP was just released, and that is the one I will be talking about in this video. So we are going to be offering it for a 0.029 BTC subscription per month. Now I will talk about later why we are offering it as a subscription. However, this will gain you access to one alert script, one backtesting or strategy script, and a setup guide in order to set everything up, along with support in our Telegram groups and all of that, and that's included in any script you purchase on the website. Now, one quick thing before I get into the script, we do have gunbot that is in development, and if you guys are wondering what that is a TradingView automation bot that will be super reliable, and it's going to be really exciting to use with this script when it is ready. However, this video is about the script, and I will make a separate video on gunbot when it is ready, and it should be ready very soon. However, let's get into the Sticks script first here, looking at Litecoin. So if we do see here on a 15-day backtest on Litecoin, so this is only 15 days, you would have made 68% profit with this scalp script. So one thing you should notice by looking at this script that's a little bit different from other scalping scripts is that this script actually looks at 2-hour candles, although it still maintains profitability while trading on high time frames. So as you can see here, it is 68% profit in the last 15 days, and you might be saying, well, I see so many signals on this chart, it's so, tight and packed, there must be an issue with fees. There's no way you're profitable with fees. However, 68% profit is actually including fees. If you guys look right here on commission on the backtest settings, this is the normal commission that Binance, for example, would take. So this is actually including fees. You would be making 68% profit. So how our script works is we do look at longer time frames in order to generate these short-term profits, these small trades, as you can see here. A lot of these trades, although they do look fairly, small and short, a lot of the time you can see here that they are actually making profit even on these short-term trades. And especially when a big move does come along, for example, right here as Ethereum did start to tick up, you can see the script really taking advantage of this upwards move. And obviously you might just be saying, well, why would I use this script that makes a bunch of unnecessary trades on the uptrend when I could just buy and hold Litecoin? Now the thing is, obviously with something that happened very recently, obviously we did see this huge reversal here, and if you had just been buying and holding Litecoin, you wouldn't have been able to sell most likely right at the top. And luckily our script did catch almost the top of Litecoin right here. It did sell, and then you would not have missed any of the profit that you made from this enormous move upwards. So obviously, as you can see on this backtest, the script has done extremely well on Litecoin, even with the fees. And one other thing I do want to point out is that the max drawdown of 4.39% is still super low. And why that's good is because if you do decide to trade the script with leverage, then if you're trading with, for example, 5% leverage or 5x leverage, then the max drawdown would also be multiplied by 5x. So we are maintaining a low max drawdown. You would only have a drawdown of 20% with 5x leverage, which would still be very, very profitable. Now, you might be saying, okay, I see it's very profitable in the backtests, especially with some of these other backtests here, such as Ethereum Classic to US dollar. Even in the sideways market on, a 15-day backtest, it is still 68% net profit with fees once again. So you might be saying, it does great on backtests. However, I want to see some live results. So this script is still relatively new. I do want to stress that we did just release it, so we haven't had a ton of time to test this script specifically on live accounts. However, we were able to run this script on our account just for a few days as we were testing and as we were updating it to make sure everything works well. And even in that test on Ethereum to Bitcoin, in only a 2-day period, as you can see here, January 3rd to January 5th, we generated around an 8% profit within 2 days trading Ethereum to Bitcoin. So once again, this proves that there is no repaint on our script. Obviously, we make sure that all of our scripts have no repaint. Therefore, none of the signals change after they are plotted, meaning that you can automate it and you can also manually trade with it. And it also shows that our signals are correct and they are profitable, at least on short-term trading. Now, as far as long-term trading results, we do not have that yet. Obviously, the script hasn't even been out for a month yet, so there's no way that we're going to have trading results for, years or months. The best we can do is show you a short-term profit that we did have on our live account, along with profitable backtests that we do have plenty of, such as Ripple, Litecoin, and Ethereum Classic, which all show profits even in sideways markets, which is a very, very important factor that we were going for with this SCALP script. So you might be saying, so far this looks perfect, there's no downside to it, this must be too good to be true, what's the catch? So I'm going to explain to you guys how the business model for this script works. So first off, there is a limitation to this version of the script. Obviously, it's just over $100 per month, so we're not going to be giving you, the best version with everything activated. There are some limitations, one of which I already talked about. With this version, you will only be able to backtest 15 days in the past. So basically why we're doing that is because we need to incentivize people to eventually get the best version, which does have all the features, which is Auto Moonsticks Pro, which does have a lot more, which I will explain in a different video. However, with this version, you can only backtest 15 days, and along with only being able to backtest 15 days in the past, you are not able to trade on BitMEX with this version of the script. And that's once again to incentivize people to eventually upgrade to the better version once it does come out. And that's just something that we had to do. And you might be wondering, well, only backtesting for 15 days and not being able to trade on BitMEX is still not a huge problem for me. What's the catch? There must be something else here. Why are you selling a profitable script? And you would be right to ask that question. And that is a question that we ourselves have asked, and we did find an answer to it. We decided to sell these scripts for a monthly subscription, so if we ever got an investor that came to us and needed the extra liquidity from these scripts, because we have other scripts that are profitable on the market that are, overwhelmingly profitable, but the thing is we have all these other extra scripts that are also profitable, so when they're not being used by a private investor's funds, then they're just sitting around. No one's trading with them. So what we've decided to do is we are going to offer these scripts on a monthly subscription to investors. anyone who wants to subscribe to them. And then once we get a private investor who requires these scripts, who has, so much money that they need to be spread out between more scripts, then we will wait a month for everyone's subscription to run out. We will stop offering the subscription, and then we will use these scripts in order to trade private investors' funds. So that is basically how this is going to work. Obviously, along with that, there are other added benefits such as raising awareness for our AutoMoon name and also allowing people to gain trust in our service of what we do offer on AutoMoon. So hopefully now you guys understand why we are offering this script. Hopefully you do see its potential and its profitability, and make sure you guys let me know what you think down in the comment sections down below. If you have any questions, if you think this is a good script to trade on, maybe you don't like it, let me know what you guys think we could improve in the future. And also, if you guys have any questions about these scripts, make sure to send me a message on Telegram. I will try to answer as fast as possible. However, one question that I already know we're going to get a lot of is, can I trial this script? And we are actually not going to be offering trials on this script. You will just have to purchase 1 month of use with the script if you do want to try it out. And yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys are interested in becoming a private investor in AutoMoon and trading with some of our private scripts, you can always send me a message on Telegram. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Enjoy these TradingView scripts. Trust me, these are going to be very, very revolutionary. I doubt that anything like this has ever been offered to the public to invest in the past. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and see you guys in the next one.